Dr. Deepmala Das Devanji back with another video of mine regarding the COVID-19, the second wave. The first thing I would like to say you, this pandemic is treating us really very bad. Mentally, physically, we are all broken. Everyone is facing problems, everyone. We are seeing the news, we are reading the newspapers, daily the cases are increasing, definitely. But apart from that, there are some things which I felt like it's important to mention also. If any of the family members, if anyone is COVID positive, first and foremost, do not panic. Please try to check the COVID, get your own self checked, get your COVID report done whether you are positive or not. If not, then okay. If yes, then start the treatment. If you're not COVID positive and any one of your family member is positive in your family, maintain distance, maintain all the precautions, wear your mask if you're living in a same room or at least in the same house. Wear your mask as much as you can, but that doesn't mean you will try to ignore that person who is COVID positive. Many people are doing so. I am getting complaints from people যে আমার বাড়িতে কোভিড পজিটিভ হয়েছে, আমরা যাচ্ছি না তার কাছে, ধারে কাছে ভয়তে। আপনাকে কাছে যেতে হবে না, কিন্তু আপনি দূর থেকে হলেও তার খাবারটা রেখে দিন, কিছু করার নেই। ইভেন দ্যাট কোভিড পেশেন্ট, তাকে কিন্তু বাঁচতে হবে। আমাদের কিন্তু মূল ধর্মটা হলো আমাকে মানুষটাকে বাঁচাতে হবে। সো প্লিজ ডু নট থিঙ্ক অফ অল দিস দ্যাট ওর কোভিড হয়েছে বলে আমারও কোভিড হয়ে যাবে আমি ওর কাছে গেলে। Come out of all these things. First and foremost, education is more important. But education তো আর এখন আর কাউকে দিয়ে লাভ নেই, কেউ এখন অত ইন্টারেস্ট দিয়ে বুঝবেও না। অতএব একটা কথা আমি বলতে চাই, ফার্স্ট ইউ হ্যাভ টু নো দ্য মোড অফ ট্রান্সমিশন। কি করে আমার তার কাছ থেকে আমার পেশেন্ট আছে, আমাকে তার কাছ থেকে কতটা ডিস্টেন্স মেনটেন করতে হবে, দরকার পড়লে মাস্ক পরবো, দরকার পড়লে ফেস শিল্ড পরবো। ইফ নিডেড ডু দ্যাট, বাট ডু নট COVID patient, try to help him or her as much as you can from your side, at least from your humanity backgrounds. The second thing I would like to say you, all these fruit sellers, the street people, the vendors, the vegetable sellers, what they are thinking is that আমি যদি ওই বাড়িতে যাই আমারও করোনা হয়ে যাবে। No, a COVID patient should always be isolated, quarantined, and there are other people also. Not necessary যে আমার person is positive, then everyone will be positive. Do not think of that. If you are actually taking precautions, guaranteed nothing will happen to you. There are people I know, I am treating 20 patients presently. I know them. I have asked them to get their COVID reports done. Everyone বাড়িতে তারা সবাই চেক করেছে, তাদের রিপোর্ট নেগেটিভ, বাট তাদের ফ্যামিলি মেম্বার একজন আছে পজিটিভ। It is not mandatory যে একজনের হলে যে সবার হয়ে যাবে। And all these fruit sellers and these vendors, please come out of all this. You are not giving fruits to the COVID patient will never ask for give me a fruit, or that person will not be in a state to buy things from you. At least do not ignore their family members. They need food, they need groceries, everyone needs to live. So come out of this stupid myth যে ওর কোভিড হয়েছে বলে আমারও হয়ে যাবে। মেনটেন ডিস্টেন্স, মেনটেন ইয়োর প্রিকশনস। অনেকটা বলতে পারি, নাথিং উইল হ্যাপেন টু ইউ ইফ ইউ আর ওকে। লাইক ইফ ইউ আর রাইট ফ্রম ইয়োর সাইড, you maintain these precautions, there is no chances that you will have COVID. And if at all, even if it happens, because we are doctors, we are seeing patients, we cannot say that you are COVID positive, that's why I won't treat you. But my face shield, my mask, that is my protection. So the same thing I want to say you, if there is any patient, because education ta amader deshe khub kom, ar eta amar I felt that I should say about this. If a person is having COVID, doesn't mean amaro COVID hoye jabe. হ্যাঁ, আমার কোভিড হবে যদি আমি তার কাছে গিয়ে I'm clinging towards him, I'm talking to him closely, I'm discussing things with him, I'm not maintaining proper distance, I am not wearing my mask, I don't have any sort of protections with me, আমার কোভিড হবে, ভগবানও আমাকে বাঁচাতে পারবে না। So all I want to say you is, প্লিজ টেক প্রিকশনস অ্যান্ড ডোন্ট ইগনোর এনি কোভিড পেশেন্ট। আমার বাড়িতে কোভিড হয়েছে বলে আমার বাড়ির লোকজনকে খাবার দেওয়া যাবে না, দোকানদাররা বেরোতে পারবো না, দোকানদাররা রিজেক্ট করে দেবে, আপনার বাড়িতে কোভিড আছে আপনি আসবেন না। I'm telling you many things. There are many people walking in the streets who don't even know whether they are COVID positive or not and whether they are COVID negative or not also. Even the vendors from whom we are buying, they are also COVID positive or not, we don't know. We are not sitting with anyone's report, present reports rather. কজন টেস্ট করাচ্ছে? So it's a very, very, very big issue. This is creating a mental depression. Already this pandemic has created, it has ended everything. Economically, physically, mentally, educationally, everything is like already finished. So please, now people do not try to deteriorate it. Do not demoralize the things you don't know. First and foremost, try to understand at a COVID patient, if there is a COVID patient, COVID positive, how much distance should I maintain? What precautions should I take? How can I prevent the transmission from him to him? If a person is positive in your family, you just cannot throw him out of your house and just ask him to stay in the roads and streets and sleep there. This is not possible. So do not panic. And I'm telling you, within the next few months, every house will be complaining everyone is COVID positive. It's just a disease, it's a virus. Keep a check on your SpO2. Keep a check on all the other parameters. Yes, comorbidities definitely. Try to get yourself vaccinated. If the SpO2 is low, try to admit that patient in any nearby hospital. If not at all possible, if you don't get beds, try to arrange for an oxygen cylinder. There are lots of helpline numbers. Few days back, I was also asking on internet. I asked people, but ultimately you have to do something or the other if the SpO2 is constantly falling. And the second thing I'd like to say you is that keep your immunity high, keep a high protein diet, at least not for the kidney affected patients, not for the renal failure patients, but usually for everyone. Please keep your high protein diet. Take a piece of egg every day, daily. Take fruits, vegetables, juice. Keep your immunity high, your body will fight against the virus. All these dexamethasones and all these remdesivir and all whatever injectables are there, those are all the secondary things. First is your body's immune system. It will definitely work. Eat properly, take medicines like multivitamins and vitamin C, continue this. Definitely it will work. And if you are COVID negative, do not take ivermectin, do not take doxycycline unnecessarily. If you are COVID positive, go for your treatment guidelines, whatever is given. Please seek help if you need. My phone number will be already mentioned in the video. If not, at least in the caption, I'll mention it above. All I want to say you is, এই মিথটা থেকে আপনারা বেরিয়ে আসুন. Come out of this myth. A person is COVID positive মানেই যে আমার COVID হয়ে যাবে, no. Please maintain your safety precautions. Please maintain your distance. Please maintain everything. And do not demoralize people. Or COVID হয়েছে তো আমার হয়ে যাবে, আমি কথা বলবো না. Do not do that. If required, talk to the COVID patient over the phone. If required, maintain enough distance. যদি খুবই প্রয়োজন পড়ে, maintain enough distance. আপনার ওর COVID হয়েছে বলে যে আপনার হবে, no. Do not think of it even. Try to understand the basic pathology, the transmission, the incubation, all this, everything is there in the internet, everything. Please do a bit research, do a study and accordingly act. This is a request to all of you. COVID কারোর হলেই যে আমার হয়ে যাবে, no. Please, it's a big no. If you are okay, if you are maintaining precautions, everything, sanitize yourself, wash your hands always and your face, wear your masks. I can guarantee you at least 99% of your security you will get. And এর পরেও যদি হয়, তারপর সব কিছু করার পরেও যদি হয়, then আর কিছু করার নেই. Just treat yourself. Can't help it. As much as you can, try to prevent yourself from all this, and please do not keep this myth that ওর কোভিড হয়েছে বলেও আমার হয়ে যাবে, আমি তাকে খাবার দাবার দেব না. Because this was a very recent problem which has happened, and if you are admitting any patient in a hospital, any one of the family members, please accompany him to the hospital. You don't have to go with him. The hospital people will at least manage. They'll come in a PPE, they'll give you oxygen and everything. You don't have to accompany him. But পেছনে হলেও একটা গাড়িতে আলাদা হলেও, please maintain distance and please go and admit him to the hospital. You don't have to be close, you don't have to stick to that person, but please admit him to the hospital and please take care. Any one person, please take the initiative just because he or she is COVID positive. Do not treat him like he's untouchable. Do not do that. You don't have to touch him even, but please do not do that. This is a request, earnest request for all of you. All I want to say you is, সকলে ভালো থাকুন, and please একটু কারুকে কোভিড হয়েছে বলে একটু ডিমোরালাইজ করাটা বন্ধ করুন। আমি এই বাড়িতে কোভিড হয়েছে, আমরা এখানে খাবার দিতে যাব না। ডু নট ডু দ্যাট, প্লিজ ডু নট ডু দ্যাট। And every family member, mentally prepare yourself that okay fine, we are fighting a COVID, we have to save that person. এই চিন্তা ভাবনাটা যদি সত্যি সব মানুষের যদি এই মনে এটা আসে যে আমাকে তাকে বাঁচাতে হবে, I think India will improve. I think India will improve. Keep your food habits, keep your your daily activities normal, keep your food habits proper, eat properly. Your body's immune system is also there, it will fight. Remember, that is the first thing. Then comes all your injectables and your ICU and all your ward and hospitals and everything. First is your body, it will fight for that. So always, all I want to say you is that stay happy, stay blessed, and God save you all. Don't worry. And if any problem you face, then please do give me a call. My phone number is already mentioned there. Thank you so much. Thank you.